back to school because, you know, I'm trying to like get ready for school even though I don't like want to go.
3 days later.
But I need to like get ready for school. What's good, Drip Kids? It's your boy Ayden, and my birthday coming up in like August, so I wanted to tell y'all what I wanted for my birthday. So let's get into it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe to my family channel, Damis Squad, and subscribe to my brother channel, Ayden Damis, because we did it! Let's go. So the first thing I want for my birthday is money, because you know, so I can like buy stuff.
Everything expensive, everything exclusive, and everything icy.
And then an Apple iPad with an Apple pen, and I want the color gold, like a gold coat of paint. For me being hungry, I can't like, I might like get takeout, so I might like get a Chick-fil-A gift card.
Nice.
So I could like eat. So I might like get a lot for my birthday because now like I have to feed the family and stuff. And then I want a PS5 so I can game and stuff. I want to start a gaming channel soon. So you know, I want the system to like go up. I want My Hero Academia action figures so I can like start a collection. And I want a punching bag with like gloves, you know, so I can like train for this season. I want to start my Garfield back for like back to school because, you know, I'm trying to like get ready for school even though I don't like want to go.
3 days later.
But I need to like get ready for school.
Well,
Next time, I want some like Robux so I can like buy some stuff on Roblox. And I want a Roku TV to start my gaming channel because I need a PS5 and a Roku TV because, you know, I'm trying to get a gaming setup. Sorry, I'm already like talking in the background, so I can like talk high. I want some V-Bucks so I can like get some skins like Fortnite. And I want My Hero Academia plushies. Like I said with the action figures, I want to like start a collection.
okay.
Like a whole entire collection. I want like a pack of markers, like a box of markers. And I want some like clothes, some shoes. Like get me any shoes y'all could like get me. Size 3 shoes and size 8 outfits. Y'all could buy me any outfit y'all want. I really don't care. It doesn't have to be expensive, nothing. All I just want is like outfits and this whole entire thing. That's all I want for my birthday. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you're gonna get something for my birthday. It's okay if y'all don't get like anything on the list. It's okay. I'm just happy if the people y'all know is gonna be there. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe to my brother's channel, Ayden Damis, and subscribe to my favorite channel, Ayden Damis and Damis Squad, because we live. Drip Kids, we out. Peace. And remember, kids, God loves you.